In this short tutorial, I will show you how to get the Safari app back on your home screen. Sometimes, due to various reasons, Safari may not be visible on your home screen even though it is installed on your device. But don't worry, fixing it is quick and simple. As you can see, the Safari app is on my home screen. If I long press on the app icon and tap Remove App, and then Remove from Home Screen, the Safari app will be removed from the home screen and no longer visible. To get it back, swipe all the way to the right until you see the app library. What you want to do next is tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and type in Safari. You should see the Safari app appear. Press and hold on the Safari app icon and then drag and drop it to your home screen. You can place it anywhere you want. Remember, you cannot uninstall the Safari app completely, as it is a built-in app on iOS devices. So if you accidentally remove it from your home screen, just follow these simple steps to get it back quickly and easily. However, if you can't get the Safari app back on your home screen using this method, let's move on to the final solution. Open up the Settings app on your iPhone, and then scroll down and tap Screen Time. And then scroll down again and tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. After that, tap Allowed Apps and Features. Then toggle on the switch next to Safari. What you want to do next is exit the Settings app and swipe all the way to the right until you see the app library. And then tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and type in Safari. All you have to do next is press and hold on the Safari app icon and then drag and drop it anywhere on your home screen. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.